Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, departing runway 26, closed traffic, Orange County.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Everything's in the green?
Make sure when you first start rolling, you get your feet down off of the brakes. Put them down, slide them down to the bottom of the rudder bars so your toes are on the rudder bars.
Okay.
Blu-ray traffic, Piper 83947 is about 10 miles to the north. We'll be passing directly field at 4,500 feet. It's 8 miles to the northwest. We'll be landing at Newmarket.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning crosswind, runway 26, orange.
Blu-ray traffic, Cessna 784 Romeo, we're about 5 miles from the west, inbound for landing on the 22. Blu-ray.
Boston traffic, our churches and 9 Foxtrot Golf on the downwind for runway 19, touching Golf South Boston.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning downwind, runway 26, Orange County.
Shannon traffic, Skyhawk 76 Echo is 4 miles south.
Start your level out of the turn.
Downwind 24 Shannon. And Shannon traffic, we have the departing traffic.
A little bit tight here. Go ahead and come out some. Stay on east. Stay on east.
One dime. Departing pattern. Road traffic, Cessna 784 Romeo, 4 miles from the west. We're going to be entering right downwind from the 22 Blu-ray.
Shannon traffic would extend our upwind for the inbound traffic. Shannon.
Fuel selectors on hold, mixtures full ridge.
Entering left downwind runway 27 full stop Air Harbor.
South Boston traffic, our churches and 9 Foxtrot Golf, left.
Command traffic, Turkey 469 Bravo Kilo.
RP time.
Northeast,
Okay.
or northwest, left Gulf Tappahannock. Traffic, last call, Commander 98 Romeo, departing the pattern to the northeast. You all have a good rest of your day. Good luck with the training.
Flaps 10.
Entering right downwind on the 22 Blu-ray.
Flaps 20.
Traffic 500 miles
Scott 76 Echoes, turning left downwind, 24 Shannon.
Approximately 10 miles to the northwest.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning base runway 26, Orange County.
Over the Harford County Airport, 2 minutes till skydiver, 9,000 feet. Harford County in 2 minutes, use caution. Mecklenburg traffic, full. Shannon traffic, southbound right, left downwind, runway 24.
Up to about 3-4 because the wind's blowing you to the right.
Traffic, Sirius 82, Charlie Delta is departing the pattern to the south, back call point. Catcher traffic, White Sky, 12 Foxtrot, left downwind 20, Tangier.
Williamsburg traffic, 2838, Lehman's over Jamestown Island, circling to the right, downwind 13, Williamsburg.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning base runway 26, Orange County.
Once you get lined up, go ahead and put in your flaps.
Out here. Depart the pattern to the northwest.
And traffic, Scott 76 Echo, left base 24 Shannon.
Orange County, Twin Otter taxi, runway 26, Orange County.
And bring some power out, about 1500.
And there's Oxford traffic, R30 Foxtrot call for about 6 miles. We'll enter the 45 for left downwind for 24, Henderson.
Bring another 100 out.
Orange County traffic, sign 213.0.
Work your way to the right a little bit.
East and west of the field.
Pull another 100 out.
West south of the field. Left, joining left.
Down another 100.
Orange County traffic.
Now, just go level. Level the plane. Level. Level. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Okay.
Orange County, Twin Otter, line up and wait, runway 26, Orange County.
Cut your power and pull back and brake. Not bad, but I'd prefer a little bit more nose up and a little bit of float before you settle.
Yes. Felt like it
I deliberately left my hands off the controls so you get the feel of how much pulling you got to, how much pressure you got to put in order to level it and then to arrest the sink or to hold the sink to a reasonable amount.
Twin Otter's on the roll 26, Orange County.
Hey.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, clear runway 26, Orange County.
Okay, stop here. Go ahead and clean out.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, departing runway 26, closed traffic, Orange County.
Yep, that's why you got to look and listen.
Yeah, because I didn't hear them.
I didn't
saw
either.
them like a bird at first.
Or we did, and it was lost in the background.
Delta 0, left base runway 26, Orange County traffic.
Everything's on the green.
Remember, you got to say to yourself, airspeed's alive.
Oh, okay.
Because if that airspeed doesn't come up, you don't take off.
Airspeed's alive, and then
Could be a bug in the pitot or something. You just never know.
Orange County traffic, timing 213 Delta 0, final runway 26, Orange County traffic. Okay, Seminole 5 Uniform 2, 15 miles to the west, Mondo.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning crosswind, runway 26, Orange County.
45, downwind for 32. Down at 9, Kilo Bravo, turning crosswind 24, Henderson.
Henderson Oxford traffic, Archer 79 Papa Alpha, turning left base 24, Henderson.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning downwind, runway 26, Orange County.
Traffic, Tahoe. I'm sorry. 303. On right base for 131.
Free landing checklist, got fuel sample, mixtures full rich.
Okay.
Orange County traffic, down 213 Delta Zero, after runway 26. Orange County traffic. Some traffic.
Frontal traffic coming on 5 Uniform 2, staying at 3,800, 10 miles to the west, frontal.
Frisco traffic, 899 Delta Sierra, about 6 miles to the north. We'll get left downwind for 32.
RP sound.
Shannon traffic, Cessna 54079 area, 8 miles to the north, inbound full stop runway 24, Shannon. Right, 12345. 2345, 76 miles. Dude, are you
Flaps
sure you're
10.
turning left base for 24, Oxford Henderson?
Flaps 20.
Crosswind. Okay. You're a crosswind, not base. Got to be careful when there's lots of planes out here. Henderson traffic, down at 9 Kilo Bravo, turning base 24, touch and go, Henderson.
Airport 2 minutes, thank you.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning base, runway 26, Orange County.
03 left traffic, touch and go. Shannon traffic, Pacer 7517 Delta. We are 6 miles to the northwest, inbound for landing Shannon.
Wave of traffic, 911 Papa Mike, turning right downwind for runway 13,
Tappahannock traffic, 32 Juliet Charlie, support the pattern to the south. Final call, Tappahannock.
Final clear.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning final, runway 26, Orange County.
Touch and go, 03. Shannon traffic, Cessna 54079 air, 5 miles on runway 24, and we do not have the traffic in sight, Shannon.
Henderson Oxford traffic, Archer 79 Papa Alpha, turning left downwind 24.
Orange County traffic, use caution, skydiving in 2 minutes over Orange County Airport, 14,000 and below, use caution, don't overfly Orange County.
Good traffic, please use caution, we got skydiving in 2 minutes and 10,500 feet.
pull up. That's it. Now pull again. Oops.
Orange County traffic, Bonanza 5316 Echo is taxiing to runway 26, Orange County.
Orange traffic, 460 area, what's the runway in use?
Traffic on Orange, we're using runway 26.
Got an aircraft pulling out here.
Pass him. Also, waiting off to.
Yeah, we'll just pull to the right here. He's probably going to get fuel.
Hey bud, you taxiing back or are you coming into park?
Taxiing back.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, clear runway 26.
Okay, go ahead and keep rolling. We'll do the cleanup on the roll.
Yankee departing runway 26, Orange.
RP's off.
Okay.
Flaps are up.
Yep.
We'll cross midfield to left downwind runway 2.
At that time with the landing,
I'm sorry.
for the landing that time, because it felt like it was more on the mains, felt like being pretty rough. Was it just stalled right above?
It was a thumper. It was, what happened is you stalled the plane in. And it was still a little bit too flat. Still need to be more nose up.
Oh, okay.
Being more nose up will increase the angle of attack of the wing as the speed slows. So it increases the lift in the wing to compensate for less airflow over the wing and set you down gently.
Okay.
But at that angle of attack, it's just going to go ploop and stall and go ploop. Not bad. I mean, it worked.
Orange County traffic, use caution, jumpers away over Orange County right now, 14,000 and below, use caution, don't overfly Orange County.
Brakes are set. Flight controls. Elevators at the takeoff.
Okay.
Pulls on both.
Okay. Flight instruments. Go ahead and get an updated altimeter and wind.
Altitude 2,200. Orange County Airport. Automated weather observation 1429er. Zulu weather wind 240 at 3. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 29er Celsius. Dew point 20. Altimeter 29er 4. Remarks. Density altitude 2.
Go ahead and set direct Gordonsville, so hit D. Up arrow. Up arrow. Okay. Oh, no, okay, yeah, and 2 down. Enter. Wait. Enter again. Then enter for go to. Good. Okay, wind is north. Okay. He's in the downwind. Go ahead.
Right. Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, departing runway 26 to straight out departure towards Gordonsville, Orange County.
Okay.
Orange traffic, Skymaster 46 Sierra, straight in, runway 23, 6 miles
airspeed's
out,
alive.
Orange.
Orange County traffic, Bonanza 5316 Echo is runway 26 line up and away, Orange.
Hold her just below 80 till you get through 600 feet. That's good. Now you can relax a little bit of back pressure. Once we get through 1,000 feet, go ahead and turn 45 degrees to the left.
Orange County traffic, Bonanza 5316 Echo is taking runway 26, departing to the east.
And leaving the pattern to the southeast. To the final call for Henderson. Yes, have fun. Orange County traffic, Twin Otter left downwind, runway 26, Orange County.
All crosswind departure from the pattern.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, crosswind departure from the pattern, runway 26, Orange County.
Orange County 46 Sierra, 4 miles straight in, runway 23, Orange.
Hold this heading and climb and level out at 1500.
Rappahannock, Glass Air 505, turn on left base, runway 28.
Can you see that water tower at about 130?
Yes.
Okay.
Short approach.
You want to get down to where when you turn right to the runway heading 230, that you're kind of pointed toward the water tower.
Okay.
Traffic, Skylane right base 30.
215, we don't want to encroach on the 45 inbound over here. That's better.
Harmful traffic, 705, Uniform Zulu is at 1,800, climbing for 2,500, departing.
Okay, low at 130 coming behind here is that white building off this end of Gordonsville. And Gordonsville's at 1 o'clock. Level out.
Orange traffic, 46 Sierra, 3 mile final, runway 23, Orange.
We want to offset like toward the downwind, which will be in alignment with the water tower. Okay, go ahead and turn right to the runway heading, 230. And kind of aim at the water tower, more or less.
On the go, 24.
Reset your bug.
Left pattern, Henderson.
Switch your radios over. Get your updated altimeter and wind.
Density altitude 2, Zulu, weather, wind, calm, visibility 10, clear, below 12,000, temperature 30 Celsius, dew point 18, altimeter 2, 2, remarks. Density altitude 2,300.
About 10 miles. All right, turn the weather off. Okay, we're going to follow this course heading, 230, parallel to the runway. The airport's at about, to the right of the water tower at about 1 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, see that big white block building, the distribution center?
Yes.
Okay, once we get to the distribution center, and it's like down here in your window,
okay,
go ahead and turn 45 degrees to the left. Once you're established on that heading, which should be about 185, then we'll go out 1 minute, then we'll turn right to the runway heading, go down until the airport is just past the right rear corner of the wing there, and then we'll make a right-hand U-turn coming in into downwind. Basically a right-hand U-turn into 45 entry into left downwind for 23. Go ahead and make a call that says we're 3 to the southwest.
And the southwest to the airport or to the...
Oh, excuse me, southeast of the airport.
Okay.
My bad.
Camry 46 Bravo Kilo.
Gordonsville traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, 3 miles southeast to runway 23, Gordonsville.
Okay. Well, all right, so you should have your building here.
Yes.
Okay, now go ahead and turn left 45 degrees. From 230, what heading would that be?
The 185.
Good. Once you're established on 185, go ahead and wiggle the clock and do a minute. Pull it out and wiggle it. There it goes. Okay. After a minute, turn right to the runway heading.
69 Bravo Kilo joining left downwind runway 29, St. Mary's.
Gordonsville, Cessna 7912 uniform, maneuvering 1,500 feet. We're about 2.5 to 3 south of the airport, Gordonsville.
That's about a minute.
Okay, turn right to your runway heading. Okay, your airport's just in front of the strut. Get ready to come behind the strut.
69 Bravo Kilo turning left base runway 29, St. Mary's.
VDOT hangar. Okay, now wait till that gets from the front corner of the wing to the rear corner of the wing, then turn right and head inbound. Your initial heading to head inbound will be to aim at the VDOT Quonset Hut hangar.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready and you choose.
St. Mary's traffic, 469 Bravo Kilo.
One airplane up there above us.
Got it.
12 o'clock.
Good point. I think he's climbing toward the Blue Ridge.
Plane turn left downwind 28, full stop.
Call your 45 inbound for left downwind for 23.
Orange, Gordonsville traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, inbound 45 to downwind runway 23, Gordonsville.
Thank you, sir. Similar traffic, jump plane maneuvering 1 mile southwest of the field until launch, glider launch, front wheel.
St. Mary's traffic, Cessna 42 Foxtrot, 10 miles from southwest, inbound for landing, runway 29, St. Mary's.
See that open green area with the farm on it?
Yes.
Before the building? Okay. We want to turn to stay this side of it. Go ahead and call entering left downwind for 23.
Gordonsville traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, entering left downwind runway 23, Gordonsville.
Okay. Pre-landing checks, carpeed as appropriate.
Fuels on both, mixtures full rich.
From the runway.
Carpeed's on.
Good.
What was that call for 55 Mike got stepped on? You got it.
Flaps 10.
Okay.
Flaps 20.
Okay. And down here we should be past the farm and before the white building. So where the green roof barn is there?
Yes, I see it.
Okay, probably just behind the silo to go across.
Same area traffic, Cessna 8042 Foxtrot, 5 miles from the southwest, inbound for landing, runway 29, same area.
Polo traffic, Cessna 51410, mile and a half east of the field, departing to Lynchburg, final call, Polo.
Gordonsville traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, turning base runway 23, Gordonsville.
A little bit low, add power. 1900. Hold your airspeed just below or right at 80. Should be getting over toward the railroad track in a moment. There it is. Okay, start a slow turn in. See how the treetops are kind of encroaching on the 2-3?
Yes.
You're still too low. More power, 2000. Just stay wings level and crab over. Okay, nice slow alignment. Much better on the trees now. Okay, leave your power set where it is, put in 30 degrees of flaps.
Alright, flaps 30.
Okay, keep the 2-3 above
seaplane going in the
the
same
glare
area,
shield.
altitude you're at.
Okay, bring out 100 on power. Okay, just stay stable. Okay, bring out another 100.
Same area, sorry. Southern Mike 5 to the southwest, descending through 1800, inbound landing 29.
Work your way to the right, a little bit of left rudder. Push the tail over. Bring out 200.
Gordonsville traffic, Cherokee 7532, 3 miles
more
to the south, inbound for left downwind.
That's your power?
2,000 feet, Gordonsville traffic.
Don't level yet. Now level. Just look at the other end. Hold her level, fly her level. Keep holding the landing off. Keep holding the landing off. Keep holding the landing. There she goes. Okay. Now, pull back, braking, gentle braking, all the way back. Once you get her down to taxi pace, then go ahead and relax your back pressure. Take her off on the corner and reverse her. So we'll clean up over there. We can't call clear because they've removed the whole shorts on both ends, so we're basically still on the runway. Okay, 90 to the right.
Gordonsville traffic, Cherokee 75382 established, left downwind, runway 23. Any traffic, please advise. Gordonsville traffic.
Okay. Go ahead and clean up.